Hello my dear kids, welcome back. On the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, we are making spinning wheel. In Hindi, it is called charkha. So let's begin and see what all materials is required. We need few ice cream sticks, color one and plain one, both will go. If you are having color one, you can use that one also. If you are having plain one, you can use that one also. Cotton thread, few buttons, Fevicol, sketch pen and one chart paper. So let's begin with our activity. So children, first we'll make the slipping line. Before pasting, I will show you how to make. So first we'll make slipping line, then we'll take one more ice cream stick and make it like this. We have to paste it. So you have to paste the ice cream sticks by overlapping in this way. So it will look like this. Now we'll paste it. So children, first I have taken the ice cream stick and I have pasted in a slipping line. Now I will take another one and apply little Fevicol on it. Parents need to help children. So children, I have pasted. Now I will take a small piece of ice cream stick. I have taken small ice cream stick and I will paste it over here. So children, do it till here. Now children, we'll take the cotton thread and we'll paste it like this and around the V, like this. So first we'll take a Fevicol . Put some Fevicol everywhere on the ice cream sticks. Slowly and gently. So children, you need to take one more round. Now stop here. So children, apply little Fevicol here also. You need to be very careful. Slowly and gently you need to paste. So children, now we'll put some buttons. So again, take some Fevicol like this. So children, our charkha is almost ready. So children, our charkha is ready. You can decorate your paper by writing charkha. As I have written Happy Gandhi Jayanti, you can write it in this way also. So children, our charkha is ready. So wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.